well, we have seen the formula and the formats and all the tables, 3 stages of cost sheet. Now it's time to implement how we will work on that formula relating. So here you can see the questions and I'm going to solve it one by one. So first, what I can see, this is the formula, this is the table basically. So a very basic table. First, we will have to write particulars, then taka, then taka, then taka as well. Okay. So over here, we have to, at the very top, we have to write the name of the business. The name of the business is Shimanta Food Products. Food products. And what's the first stage name? The first stage name is cost of goods manufactured statement. The cost of good manufactured statement. And what's the date? The date is for half year, it says, right? So for the period of half year, ended on 30 June 2017. Alright, so my business name is Shimanta Food Product, cost of goods manufactured statement, this is number 1. So let me write just over here number 1. And for the period of half year ended on 30 June 2017. Okay. So first I will write the opening stock of raw materials according to the formula. Stock of raw materials. Okay. Opening stock of raw materials is 6,400. Okay. With that, I'm gonna add all my purchase of raw materials. Purchase of raw material. It actually comes 63,000. Okay. Then I have to add, with that I have to add carriage inward. 1,000. Right? We don't have anything else. So we will add it 64,000. 64,000. So what is this 64,000? This is called cost of raw materials. So we will have to add this together. And it comes out 70,400, right? And this 70,400 is our cost of raw materials. Yes, right? So with the opening stock of raw materials, we add all the purchases we have done, all the carriages we have done. Now it's time to subtract. What we will subtract? All the closing one. Okay? We will subtract all the closing stock. All the closing stock, and it comes out 7,600. So that we will subtract. Do you have anything else? No, we don't have anything else. So now we will subtract, and it comes out 62,800. Sorry, 62,800. This will come to the final column. Okay, after we have done. And what's this 62,800 called? This is called the raw materials we have used. That is called raw material used. Done. Okay, we find out our first one, raw materials used. After that, what we will do? After that, we will find out the prime cost. This is number one, raw materials used, and we have used it. Then our prime cost will come. For the prime cost, we have to add all the wages and direct expenses. Okay, wages we have 44,300. 44,300. Okay. Next, I have to add all the direct expenses. We have opening stock of packing materials. So opening stock of packing materials is cost 1,000. The reason I'm writing in this column because I'm gonna add all the direct expenses together, and after that we will do the sum up at the end. Okay. So with the wages, I have to I have added the opening stock of packing materials, that is 1,000. Then I am adding purchase of packing goods. Purchase of packing goods comes out 3,000. Altogether it costs 4,000. And after that I will subtract the closing one. Closing stock of packing goods, it comes out actually 800. Right? So 400 minus 800 comes out 3,200. Alright? 3,200. And what's that 3,200 cost? Now I will add 62,800, this one and this one together, and the answer will call prime cost. Okay? This answer is called prime cost. Okay? So let's add them together. 0, 0. $1,10,300. So this 1,10,300 is our prime cost. Okay? After the prime cost, what we have to find out? We have to find out the production cost, and for that we have to add all the factory overhead. Factory overhead. Okay. We have production cost. We have factory depreciation. We have repair of factory billing. Okay. So factory cost comes out 8,600. Okay. Factory depreciation comes 4,400. Repair of factory building comes 2,200. Altogether it comes out 15,200. Okay? Okay. So now we have to add it. After adding them together, 15,200. Alright. So let's add them. It comes out It comes out 1,25,000, 1,25,500, and this is our production cost. Okay, this is our production cost. After production cost, what we have? After production cost, we have to add opening stock of work in progress. Remember, opening stock of work in progress, and with that we have to subtract closing stock of work in progress. I'm writing dot dot dot. You can give dot dot dot, but better to write it. All right. Okay. So our opening stock of work in progress is actually 1200, 3000. 12,300. Okay. We will add it. Then we got 1,37,800. So with that we have to subtract 15,000 as well, as in the closing one. So after subtracting we got 1,22,800. This is our cost of good manufactured. Cost of good manufactured. Done. Our final one is done. We got our cost of good manufactured. Okay. So the next stage, cost of sold good, we will do it. Are you done with the writing? If you're done, then we can move on to the next one.